Rottnest Island has a very simple quality that's really being preserved. The wildlife, the impact of people on the island is something that's monitored, so we try to bring that to the food here as well. Charcoal cooking and wood cooking I love. You get flavour from the charcoal itself, fat dripping down from meat, dropping onto charcoal, the smoke coming back up and flavouring the meat further. It can make something very simple taste quite extraordinary. Personally, I really love using the small Japanese charcoal barbecues, and using one of those, it's very intimate. It just feels like a very natural way of cooking. I wouldn't say cooking on charcoal or wood is easier. It's definitely more difficult and there's definitely a technique around it, but once you get the hang of it, it's a lot of fun. The first thing I think of is crayfish, purely because we've got crayfish pots off the coast here. It can be very, very simple. I like to use a lot of Japanese influences, so flavoured dashi, nori powder, these sorts of things in butter, quite simply on seafood. You've got that smell of salt in the air because you're at the beach, and just knowing that the seafood that you're eating was caught just in that water right there. So it has that local connection and it has that natural flavour of charcoal and the salt. It's engaging more senses than just taste. Everybody loves a barbecue. It's more social. You find people end up talking about food and you have great conversations.